Hi viewers, today's topic is difference between reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible change. A change can be reversed. It is called a reversible change. This means that it is possible to get a newly product back to its original form. A reversible change can take place in both of the directions. The change can be brought about by natural process as well as by human activities. Reversible changes. Make a boat from a sheet of paper. What you have to do is to change the shape the sheet paper from a simple rectangle into a boat like shape. Now you want to make something else from the same sheet of paper. How can you do so? It is simple. Just unfold the paper and make an origami aeroplane. In this way, you can change the boat back into a sheet of paper and then use it to make an aeroplane shape. Take a balloon and blow it with the help of a mouth in it. Care should be taken it is not burst. You notice that the balloon change its shape and size. Now let the air escape from the balloon and notice it the balloon regain its original state. This type of change is called reversible change. Take flour and try to make dough. Take some dough and try to make a ball and try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball of dough again. This type of change is called reversible change. Take a balloon and blow it to its size, tie its mouth with a string tightly, prick it with a pointed tip of a pen. Oops! It bursts. It means it cannot regain its shape. Roll out a roti from a ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Will roti get the original shape? No, it cannot regain its original shape because it is an irreversible change. Suspend a rubber band and a steel spring from separate hooks and hangs on the wall. Mark their positions on the wall. Now the weight of 100 to each. What you see, the rubber band and steel spring gets stretched. The rubber band stretches more than the steel spring. Mark the new spring and remove the weight and observe the rubber band and steel spring return to their original position. You can conclude that the stretch of a rubber band and steel spring is a reversible change. Fix one end of a metal rod in the wall, place a wooden block on the other end, put a needle between the metal rod and a wooden block. Stick a pointer on the needle as shown here. On heating the metal rod, the pointer moves upwards because particles of solids move rapidly and expand the solids on cooling. The metal rod, the pointer moves downwards because particles of solid contracts. This demonstrates the solids also expands on heating and contract on cooling. Take water in a kettle and place the kettle on the burner and wait for few minutes till it heats. Observe it freely from its mouth. Water liquid changes into water vapor gaseous state. Place few ice cubes in the frying pan and hold it in a slanting position as shown here. You will notice that steam condenses to form droplets of water on the underside of the frying pan. These droplets of water trickle down the side of the frying pan and then start falling down. Collect these droplets in a glass. Put the glass into a refrigerator, freezer. Water liquid changes it into ice cube solid state, vice versa. Take potassium permanganate, add in water and stir. The crystals of potassium permanganate disappear and water becomes purple color. No solid crystals of potassium permanganate are seen there. This is called a solution. Heat the solution till the vapor comes out and cool it. it will be observed the crystals of potassium permanganate reappear. Thus, you can say it is an example of reversible change.